Good afternoon. My name is Angelica Maria. My last name is Herrera Perez. I am from Vélez. I live in Vélez. I am a student administration of the empresas. During my last vacation, last month, I was at the Nut Festival de Guavina and the Tipol that take place in my town Vélez Santander. I was there this cheating with my family and friends, where I went to several events, such as in the Icon exhibition, where we paid the viable than the B event 25 pesos per person. The rest of the events sat not cast, such as the Parade of Flowers de Veranda exhibitions of typical costume and NRDC, the presentation and others in the National Parque Folklore was a very pleasant experience and unforgettable. The weather in Vélez Santander during my vacations was sunny in the day and a little rainy at night. Recommendation 1. It is important that people use sunscreen that protection source formally rays. 2. Tourists are recommended be well hydrated. 3. This is necessary for people wear correct night. 4. Is a good idea for people that wear hat. 5. It is important that we all carry an identification document. 6. Tourists are recommended to make hotel reservations in advance. 7. It is necessary for people to be organized during advance. 8. People or visit not to neglect children. Thanks you.